There is a quiet revolution happening in the job market, and at the center of it is Power BI. It's 2025, and if you're in business, marketing, sales, finance, or even HR, chances are you've heard the buzz. But it's more than just hype. Power BI is becoming the language of data in modern organizations. Why is everyone learning it? Simple, companies are drowning in data but starving for insights. Power BI turns messy spreadsheets and scattered reports into clean, interactive dashboards that actually make sense, no coding needed. It's not just for data analysts anymore, managers, entrepreneurs, freelancers, everyone is picking it up because decision-making now depends on understanding data visually. When I started learning Power BI, I realized it didn't just upgrade my resume. It upgraded how I think. I went from sharing boring Excel files to creating real-time dashboards that my clients and team loved. And the best part, the demand is exploding. Whether you want a better job, a freelance gig, or to become irreplaceable at your current company, Power BI might just be your best move in 2025. Here's the deal. In today's world, information is power. We're living in the age of data, and knowledge is the new currency. Companies are sitting on a gold mine of data, but they need people who can sift through the rough stones and find the sparkling insights. That's where you come in. You don't need to be a tech wizard or have a fancy degree. All you need is the know-how to turn data into visual stories that everyone from the CEO to the front line can understand. Now let me tell you a story. Not too long ago, I was in a meeting with a potential client. They were frustrated. Their data was all over the place and their reports were outdated before the ink was even dry. Then I stepped in. I showed them how Power BI could transform their raw data into a visual masterpiece. They could see exactly what I was talking about: sales trends, customer behavior, market share, all presented in a way that made sense. And guess what? They signed on the dotted line right then and there. That's the kind of impact Power BI can have. It's not just a business intelligence tool. It's a game changer. With Power BI, you can visualize data, create interactive reports, and share real-time insights with your audience. And here's the cherry on top, it's a Microsoft product, which means it integrates seamlessly with your existing tools like Excel and Office 365. You might be thinking, great, but how do I get started? Well, that's the easiest part. No coding required. Simply connect Power BI to your data sources, drag and drop, visualize, and voila. You've got yourself a report. But don't stop there. Add some calculated columns, create measures, and dive deep into your data. With Power BI Desktop, you can craft detailed reports, and when you're ready to share, publish them to Power BI service with just a few clicks. Mobile app. You can monitor your dashboards on the go, making sure you're always in the know. The possibilities are truly endless. Want to track your website traffic? Boom, Power BI can do that. Need to monitor your social media engagement? You got it. How about analyzing your marketing campaign performance? No problem. Power BI has got your back. In a nutshell, Power BI is your visual problem-solving partner, helping you make sense of your data and empowering you to become the data hero of your organization. So what are you waiting for? Join the Power BI revolution today and let your data do the talking.